Electric power basic training system, mainly composed of power control module, electrician basic module, AC contactor module, AC test module, instrument module, motor, and so on. Electric power basic training system. The tests that can be completed by the electrician basic module include bridge rectification halfway rectification test, RIC resonance test, rotary circuit temperature control test, and so on. The electrical parts include in detector lights, buttons, AC contactors, thermal relay, intermediate relay, incandescent lamp test module. Motor drugs include single captor motor forward and reverse experiment. The power control part can be complete. Step up transformer test, step down transformer test. DC adjustable voltage source, DC adjustable current source. Next we will use the fluorescent lamp test for wiring.